guys, I'm here now in YAU Ma Ti. I'm looking for a souvenir, so I also want to show you the street what are in the YAU Ma Ti. So let's start. YAU Ma Ti is a small place in Hong Kong and can be easily explored within a day. There aren't many things to do and attractions to visit in this town. Also, being a small town, there are fewer accommodation options. People usually consider making a quick stop here before heading to the next neighboring cities. You can halt here for a quick snack and take a little break from your next journey. YAU Ma Ti Theater was once the largest theater in Kowloon and the only remaining pre-World War II theater in Kowloon Peninsula. It is opened in 1930 and it is now the historic building, the market in YAU Ma Ti. It is the historical valuable site and has been classified as a Grade 2 historic building since 2009. Like YAU Ma Ti Theater, the market outer walls and signposts are from the pre-World War II era. There is a wide variety of fresh seasonal fruit and freshly squeezed fruit juice at the market for the section. The top quality Tin Hau Temple in Hong Kong, Temple Street, the location of the famous night market in Hong Kong, is named after the temple. If you choose, you can born in peace, pray, and pay respect to the god. Tin Hau is the most. Tin Hau, which is protector figure to the local fishermen at the sea. It is a good place to understand local spiritual life and have your palm reach and fortune told by the master. You can also find or buy some souvenirs such as Hong Kong street signs to take home. The actual market on the Temple Street is the YAU Ma Ti and Jordan section of the Temple Street. The flea market starts at the late afternoon every day and continues throughout the evening. It is also a good place to find good deals and designer handbags, sunglasses, clothes, decorations, VCDs, toys, and electronic gadgets. Be prepared to bargain in order to strike a good deal. And don't forget to hunt the shop hiding behind the stall.